Hello, how are y'all doing? It's Paula here. I am here to share my latest snippet slash bag with journal and a little bit of this and that. I don't even know what to call it actually. Oh my goodness. But I had this in mind to do, so I did it, and I'm hoping that you like it. Let me try to get the lighting fixed before you guys come on here, but I don't know. Anywho, this is a little tote bag that I made, and I'm absolutely in love with this. It is so amazing. I love the feel of it. It is, it's 9.5, almost 10 by 18 long. And it comes with a journal inside. You open it up, and it comes with a bag full of yumminess in there. Let me take all this out of here. It comes with all of this extra stuff. This lace actually is going to be the closure for the bag. I just didn't put it on there because, yeah, I'll show you that stuff later, but this is the bag right here. Oh my goodness. I love it so much. Super love it. The journal itself has 48 pages front and back. This is the journal. And this lace that's wrapped around it is another yard of lace that you can use however you want. I love this. I will link where I got this paper below. I can't remember where I got it, but I will definitely link her below, her Etsy shop, and you can go get that. But I want to show you the bag really quick. The bag, I made it, I clipped it. All right, excuse me, didn't clip it. I pinned it with these really old vintage pins that Miss Vonnie sent to me a long time ago, and I'm going to unpin it because the reason I did this is because I wanted you to be able to have a choice, like to either keep the bag as a tote bag, or I wanted you to have the choice of actually using this as a cover, or oh my goodness, I've got to, oh, maybe that's better. You can actually see it a little better. You can cut this up and use it as a journal cover. You can use these, make belly bands, make corner pockets, make whatever you want out of this thing. This can be folded this way, and you can make 2 traveler's notebook sizes out of this, and still have a little piece probably for tabs or whatever. But yeah, you can cut that in half and have a traveler's notebook cover, actually 2 of them. Or you could fold it like this and have a journal cover, and then cut it right here and have all of this for like pockets or tabs, or side pockets like that. Cut them like that and have it. Oh my goodness, there's so, and the possibilities are endless that you can do with this thing. But yeah, or you could cut it like this and have this as one journal, and then fold this over and have a mini journal cover. There's just so many options you can do with this big old piece of yumminess. I absolutely love it. And it's all lace, and I guess you'd call that eyelet fabric or something. I'm not quite sure, but oh my goodness. It took me a while to make this, and I absolutely love it. And I put this extra ruffle on just so if you do want it just to keep it out as a bag, you can fold it back up, put your little pins on, and then just flop that over, and it looks amazing. Lots and lots and lots of options. Like I said, this is like 9.5, almost 10 by 18 this way. So, yeah, that's that little amazing little tidbit right there. I love it so much. So cute. I'll set that over there. And then here is the journal, and she is 7.5 by 5.25. And you can take this lace off and use it throughout the book, or, you know, because she doesn't really need a closure on it if you're going to leave it in the bag, or you can make your own closure. It doesn't really matter. But I love it. I put this cotton trim on the edge right here, and it's double cardstock, 110-pound cardstock on the outside, and then I can't remember the cardstock that I put on the inside. And I sewed all around it. And on the inside, let's see here, I put just a lace pocket right here. And this is some old ephemera, some original old ephemera from Old Design Shop. And a tag I made. And this is also from the Old Design Shop, a library card from '96. And I love this, it's so gorgeous. And over here, I just have some very old ephemera. That is a 1.5-cent stamp right there. Do you believe that? That is so crazy, from 1948. And this is just a really old envelope. There's nothing in it, but I just think it's truly amazing. It's still kicking. So I put that in there, and then just these two pieces of ephemera. That's Tim Holtz right there. I sewed around this one. Nothing in there right now. Graph paper, just, this is a book page out of Jane Austen book. And there's a book page out of my bird book. Some are coffee dyed, some are not. And there's just a little tiny playing card with a coffee dyed tag. Did some stenciling, some light stenciling. Very old vintage paper here. You can tell the difference by petting the paper. I'm a weirdo. I can tell the difference between this paper and this paper. It's so crazy. A book page out of that old catalog. And here's a piece of my snippet strip that I used for a tab. This is a really old postcard. Goes this way, I guess. Oh my goodness, sometimes these flowers, I can't tell which way they're supposed to go. And this is one of those CD holders, and I just filled it up with Tsunami Rose flowers and Tim Holtz people and some steampunk kids and just a bunch of goodies in there. And that is the middle. A coffee dyed tag I made. Another tab from my snippet. And I just did a mixture of different kinds of papers that I love. I sewed around this pocket and put in 2 vintage photos that I found at a garage sale. I think those dogs are so cute. And this man is so funny. I don't know, I just love him. Don't know who he is, but I sure like him. Love the way that dyed. And that is Tsunami Rose, and this is just some extra journaling paper. Oops, Jane Austen. And there's just a tag in there, and I sewed the gussets closed on this coffee dyed bag. Some more old vintage ephemera. This is from the Old Design Shop, and so is this. And I will link her below too. I sewed around that. Some more old Yahtzee. an old recipe card, and then from the library of. These are all from the old design shop right here too. And that is this beautiful little journal that goes inside here. And then we have, excuse my nose, we have a yard. Each one of these are a yard. So we have this trim. I don't want to take them apart because I took forever to get them like this. And then we have this pink one, which is super cute. And then this is the yard closure for the book. This is 1.5 yards closure for the bag, which you don't have to put it on there if you don't want to. You can use it elsewhere. And then we have this 1 yard of this cute trim. We have this one, which is so cute and it's soft. I love it. We have this little yellow guy, which is super cute. And then we have this cute little pink, light pink. It's so cute. I love it. And then we have this bag of goodies. Here, let me scoop these up here. Oh my goodness. I will just dump it all out and pick it up later. How's that? Because I put a lot of stuff in here. I'm going to leave that in there. But that is some rub-ons right there from Tim Holtz. I just have a whole bunch of those, so I just put this chunk in the bag. Then we have 2 word stamped on muslin. And 2 more cotton doilies in here. Some coffee dyed tickets. A 13-inch piece of my other snippet that I made. And this is, to make my tabs, I just took my pinking shears and cut it right down the middle and then cut it off, and then you have your little tab like that. Only have 2. That's how I made my tabs. And if I want a pocket, I just cut it however big I want the pocket and glue it down or sew it down. But it comes with that. And some little flat back pearls. I don't know what that is. Like 12 inches of this stretchy trim. It's really pretty. I love it. And a bow that I made. A bunch of cute little vintage buttons. And a flower. And some washi tape that matches. And yeah, you get all of this yumminess. It all comes, oops, Paula Lemmon. Seriously? I don't want to lose these pins because I don't have very many of them. But yeah, you get all of this loveliness. And if you are interested, she is for sale. I will link my Facebook and Bloom and Sticks Creation page below. And if you are interested, you can PM me on there. And yeah, thank you so much for sticking with me and watching my videos. And I hope that you love her, because I super love this. And this is really hard to get rid of. Oh my goodness. Because I keep looking at it and thinking, you know what I could do with that? I'm horrible. But oh my goodness, yes, I love her. Please don't forget to subscribe and like, and I will see you soon because I'm going to be doing a video on these little cutenesses as well. So yeah, PM me if you're interested, and I will chat at you soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.